If you're not meticulous, absolutely meticulous about safety, about quality, a sterling reputation that was built over 126 years could be seriously injured in a matter of just 126 seconds. We're collaborating more closely than ever before with our ingredient suppliers, better understand practices, farm practices, the potential risks they could pose, and we're doing more to ensure regulatory compliance all the time. I believe in the power of industry collaboration. After all, this is not about building a competitive advantage, but about working together in collaboration to overcome new challenges.
Food safety in the global economy is today the new norm. With the huge population growth that we've had with the emerging of the developing markets, people are globally starting to expect more and more from the suppliers, from the manufacturers, and from us retailers in terms of being able to come to us, to trust us, and to make sure that they do get food that is safe and secure.
It's very important everybody works against a global set of standards. And so the global food safety initiatives are critically important because it standardizes what the industry needs to do. Under GFSI recognized schemes, we have all of the standards engineered into our system, and we make sure that we are part of the whole global food safety initiative that goes around the world, sets the standards, and works with the various countries to harmonize the approach to food safety. We believe getting alignment with key customers on acceptance of GFSI is very important to making sure we as a global company can work with customers around the world in ensuring food safety.
Food safety is something that if any link in the chain has a weakness, it can affect any other. And so the only way that companies like Cargill and other companies in the food chain can make the promise that consumers expect is if this is a global effort and not a multi-individual nation effort or a localized effort. I think global food safety is exactly that. That what used to be a very localized issue, or one where the policies and approaches and even the expectations of citizens in different countries was quite varied, I think there's a great unification coming. 7 billion people expect to have fairly priced food that they can rely on and serve comfortably and confidently to their children. And so that's the big change as we've globalized the concept of food safety.
Danone considers food safety as a pre-competitive item. This is a prerequisite. And food safety can only be a function of a joint action of all players on the food chain. Manufacturers, distributors, agriculture, authorities have to work all together. And we call for action by all these players, and we will continue to support, as we do today, the efforts of GFSI as the global initiative to support this joint effort.
More than at any other time in human history, food safety is a shared responsibility. We know manufacturers can't do it alone. Retailers can't either. Neither can regulatory officials or consumers. That's why we're supportive of GFSI, because we believe we can do more to advance food safety by working together. With our size and scale, it's important that we play a role in that collaboration to share and to learn, and ultimately to strengthen the safeguards for millions around the world.